Okay guys, may I have your attention please? Let's go on the next topic. You got to do it quickly, right? Don't discuss anything else. Yeah. Pets and animals. Now sometimes this topic can be a little unusual, especially if you don't have any pets and you don't take any interest in animals. So the first question is, what's your favorite animal? Now it depends. Try to talk about one animal that is your favorite. So what's your favorite animal? Cat. All right. Cat. You like cat with ketchup? Yeah, chili garlic sauce. Okay, enough. Yeah. All right. What's your favorite animal? Now you can say, I love cats. Right? What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is cat. That means you are actually parroting the same question in other way. So use different words. What's your favorite animal? Well, I am quite obsessed with cats, and this is one of my favorite animals. In fact, I don't have any cat, but one of my friends, she's got a Siamese, and I like cats very much. So to answer this question, one of my favorite animals is cat. Clear? Now you can say dog or any other word, whatever you want to say, right? Let's see. Let's go on. What is the most popular animal in your country? I'm not going to say, I was going to say kutta. Yeah. So, what's the most popular animal in your country? You say, well, in my country, let's be positive. In my country, horses are very popular. Right? Not donkey, horses. Yeah, exactly. Horses are better. So in my country, horses are very common and people usually love riding. Therefore, you can see horses here and there. On the other hand, horses are used for transportation as well. And there are many horse farms here. So therefore, horse is the most common animal in my country. Or you can say horse is a common sight in my country. Common sight means everywhere you see it. Clear? Now, let's go on. The next question is, have you ever had a pet before? Have you ever had a pet before means in the past, did you ever keep pet? Say, no, I've never got any chance to keep a pet because I'm allergic to certain animals. And mainly my mother doesn't allow keeping animals at home. So I've never got any experience of keeping a pet in my own house. Or yes, I've got several animals before. Once I used to have a lion. And then I sold the lion and bought a tiger. Yeah, not like that, okay? Don't just talk like this, yeah? The things which are not real, these things will not bring you good band scores. You can talk about any animal. Now, the next question, where do you prefer to keep your pet? Indoors or outdoors? So it depends. Okay, yeah, it depends. So like I've got a dog, so mostly I keep it indoors, but once or twice a day I take it outside as well and all that. So do you prefer to keep your pet indoor or outdoor? Indoor means like I've got a beautiful cat and she sleeps with me, right? Or I've got a dog, but we've got a dog house, so he lives in our lawn or anything like that, right? So indoors, for indoors, you can use the word room, bedroom. For outdoors, you can use the word garden. You can use the word car garage or lawn. This is going to be fine. So just, to reword the words there. Then they say what type of, now there isn't any other question. So you can just practice these and then we'll go back. I'll give you 2 minutes for that. Okay, hurry up please.